Hi, this is Benjamin, founder of Farm Again. I would like to share an exciting information with all of you today. We've been featured in this book, Top 100 Indian Innovations 2023, Grotron Autonomous Irrigation System, Farm Again Agro Private Limited, Coimbatore. So we're really delighted that Grotron, our innovation, has been featured in this book. Really honored to be in this list. And with this happy news, I would like to today use the time to talk about how we would like to expand our business in different regions within India. And that is where I would like to spend the next few minutes with you. So over the last 10 years, we have been really busy building our flagship product, Grotron, which is all-encompassing solution for agriculture, which means the sensors that are implanted in the field send out data, and along with that data, we corroborate the weather data. That is, all of them put together goes into artificial intelligence algorithms that predicts when the soil moisture is likely to dry up. And then again, a secondary prediction of when and how long an irrigation should be administered to a particular zone in a farm so that it doesn't dry up. And accordingly, our Grotron IoT devices will automatically turn the valves on and pump on and make sure 24/7 all the zones in a farm are kept in an ideal moisturized condition. So that has been our flagship product. So we really built this, not just irrigation. I mean, it can do fertilization. So when it does fertilization, you can say, I want to send 100 liters every day. You can say 1 kilo per acre, or you can say, I want to maintain a certain pH, certain EC. So there are umpteen number of ways you can configure our fertigation system, and accordingly it will work in tandem with our Grotron Pro, which is our flagship product. And not just that, it can do climate control, basically maintain the temperature in a polyhouse or humidity. It can even do CO2 compensation in a closed environment farming. So that has been our flagship product, which we were taking to the market, and we have had quite a good success in taking this to the market. And our business has been through reference from our existing customers. We really did not have an exhaustive dealers or distributors network. But in the last 1 year, what we did was, now that we have created our all-encompassing flagship product, we started looking at different farm requirements, different farm situations, and tried to create, or let's say subdivide our flagship product into smaller products that are more affordable and specific to needs that come from certain farms. Say for instance, you have a Napier grass. So it is good enough for, just to irrigate is good enough. You may not really have to go for the artificial intelligence based air-water balance. And so to that extent, what we did was we subdivided our core platform and spun off a small system, which we call it as Grotron or Grotron Lite, which can carry out irrigation, fertilization, climate control, all of that, but does not use artificial intelligence. So this becomes slightly more economical compared to our flagship Grotron Pro. And then there is another category of farms that we wanted to focus, which is like small holding farmers, where you have half acre, 1 acre, small farms. They may have just about a valve or 2 or 3. So they do all kinds of labor work in the farms. The farmers themselves do it. Even fertilization, they manually do themselves, and they have enough time to do that. So the only challenge they may have is, on a round robin method, just do the irrigation, because there are times you have uncertainties in power supply. You have power few hours in the morning, few hours at night. Especially if you go to Karnataka, you can see that you get about 3 hours of power supply during the daytime, and the night power supply sometimes at 1 a.m. Where the farmers really won't be able to go sit and turn their pumps on and go turn the valves open. Not possible. So to address these small holding farmers, we created another product line called G-Start, which can just operate pump and maybe connect up to 6 valves. Just do a round robin irrigation and nothing more than that. And there is a good number of farmers who just need this solution. So therefore, we have now created solutions that will fit the budget of different farmers, fit the requirements of different farmers. And this is the time we thought it is the right time to go beyond just a referral based business and really establish distribution and dealers network. And since we have already been in touch with a lot of people who had shown interest, it has become a little easier for us to establish in several places. But we thought we will take this opportunity to convey to people that we are right now starting to get more distributors and dealers for different regions. People who are into agriculture business, say for example, someone who may be implementing drip irrigation, maybe a fertilizer shop, maybe a shop in a locality that is selling pumps and doing all kinds of electrical work for farms, or companies that carry out plumbing work for farms. So these are some of the people, and even more importantly, there are companies now that are selling some basic versions of automation. So they may be interested in moving up the value chain by taking our product, which is built based on artificial intelligence. So people who are interested in looking up and trying to grow together. So these are the different kinds of people I think will fit the bill and would be a good alignment for us to join hands and become dealers or distributors. So the infrastructure requirement is not much. So basically they need to have some space. If it is say fertilizer shop or a drip irrigation company, they can have a small space where they can display our product lines like Grotron Pro, Grotron Lite and G-Start, and maybe keep one fertigation machine as well, and give an experience to the farmers and be able to explain how these things work together and what benefits they can see. So essentially it is a place where someone can come, look at it, feel it, understand. So that's the only infrastructure requirement we have. See, in today's world, a lot of farmers, right from small to big, are slowly starting to realize that they will not be able to succeed in the long run without tech backing them up. That's a clear understanding people are getting into. Our tech specifically was built in the principle of enhancing photosynthesis. So even if there is an existing dealer who is dealing with some cheap automation product, Grotron is something that will really help him improve his own footprint, because this tool is going to help a farmer improve his productivity, reduce the water usage and things like that. Therefore, the fact that people are really looking to integrate tech into their farming, and this really helping in improving photosynthesis and enhancing productivity, there will be enormous opportunities for dealers to go and implement Grotron into almost every market within India and be financially successful as well. Yeah, so this relationship is very simple. We do all kinds of R&D and do all the painful job and create the product and bring it to the table. And what we expect the dealers or the distributors to do is just take this to the right market. So they know who needs what. Now we have a platter of products, and these dealers would know which one fits which farm. So it is their job is expected to be just selling it to the right people with the right commitment. And in fact, Farm Again, we take care of the installation, post-installation support, all kinds of after-sale support. So the dealer's focus is only selling to the right people, the right product, and everything else is handled by us, just like how we handle after-sale for any of our direct customers. Same way we handle the customers of our dealers too. So we don't charge any deposit from the dealers. Depending on the targets they have, I mean, we sit with the dealer and agree based on the potential of the location, certain targets. And based on the targets, they will have to keep minimum stock. So that's the only expectation we have. There is absolutely no deposit. So people who think they have the contacts, they have the means to take this innovative product, as I said before, one of the top 100 innovations of 2023. So people who are willing to join hands with us and take this innovative product to the market, who think they have the right connects, right amount of financial support to be able to keep stock, we welcome them to join hands with us. And we have been in the past 6 months trying with 4 dealers who had seen our product somewhere and came to us showing interest to take dealership. And this model actually works, where they just sell. We do all kinds of technical support pre and post sale. This model really has worked beautifully well in the last 6 months. So we think we are confident that we can go across the country, throughout India, and take this innovative product to nook and corner of this country. And we have also enhanced our production capacity. We have now the ability to supply to anyone, anywhere in India. So we welcome you all. And if you think some of your friends may be a good fit to take our innovative technology to the market, please do share this video with them. And shortly we will again meet with another interesting video. Until then, signing off, your Ben.